The Bible, a sacred book for millions, has a history that spans thousands of years. Our journey begins in ancient times, where people told stories and passed down wisdom through spoken word. Over time, these stories were written down on scrolls made from materials like animal skins. Fast forward to around 1400 BCE, where the Israelites, a group of people in the Middle East, began writing the first books of the Bible. These early writings, known as the Old Testament, include stories of creation, historical events, and laws given to the Israelites by figures like Moses. The process of collecting and organizing these writings took centuries. In 300 BCE, Jewish scholars gathered the texts and created what is known as the Hebrew Bible or the Old Testament. This collection includes books like Genesis, Exodus, and Psalms. Around 30 CE, a man named Jesus lived in the region, sharing teachings about love, compassion, and a deeper connection with God. His followers, known as disciples, later recorded his life and teachings in books known as the Gospels Matthew, Mark, Luke, and John. The Bible is composed of two main sections. The Old Testament contains religious texts, sacred to both Judaism and Christianity, while the New Testament focuses on the life and teachings of Jesus Christ. In the years following Jesus' life, his followers, also called apostles, wrote letters to different communities, offering guidance and encouragement. These letters, known as the epistles, are found in the New Testament. The early Christian communities recognized the significance of these writings, and over time, different groups gathered and debated which books should be included in the Bible. By the 4th century CE, most Christian groups agreed on the list of books we find in the modern Bible. During the Middle Ages, scribes meticulously copied the Bible by hand, preserving its teachings. The invention of the printing press in the 15th century by Johannes Gutenberg revolutionized the distribution of the Bible, making it more accessible to a broader audience. Translations of the Bible into various languages expanded its reach. Notable among them is the King James Version, commissioned in the early 17th century, which remains influential in English-speaking communities. The Bible's impact extends beyond religious circles. Its stories, such as the parables of Jesus and the wisdom literature, have inspired art, literature, and music throughout history. In the modern era, archaeological discoveries have unearthed ancient manuscripts, providing scholars with a deeper understanding of the Bible's historical context. Today, the Bible is available in numerous languages and formats, from traditional printed copies to digital versions. It continues to be a source of inspiration, guidance, and reflection for millions of people worldwide. Don't forget to subscribe for more captivating content. Thanks for watching.